Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Asta. So in today's video, I'm going to share a very affordable beginner's makeup kit. All the products that I'll be sharing are of really good quality and are amazingly affordable. So I'll be showing options for each and every product. Obviously, you don't have to buy all of them. Just pick one and go for it. Also, I won't be mentioning the prices and the shades of the product in the video because काफी लंबे हो जाते हैं मेरे videos and I just keep on speaking then I realize काफी लंबा हो गया है वीडियो. So I'll be mentioning all the details down below in the description box, so you can check it out if you're interested. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so let's start with moisturizers. I have two moisturizers right here. This is Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer and this is Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. So this moisturizer comes with SPF 24. It can be used as a sunscreen as well. This is not very light as well as not very heavy. It can be used by all skin types. But this moisturizer is gel based and it is really light and it is very good for oily skin people. So oily skin people go for this, and people who have dry skin and combination skin go for this. This one is also good for oily skin people. You can choose out of any of these two. But dry skin people, don't go for this moisturizer. This is not gonna work for you. So yeah, these two are the moisturizers. So after moisturizer, I have sunscreen. So this is Jove's Sun Cover SPF 30 sunscreen. So ये SPF 30 है, आप कोई भी ले सकते हो, SPF 30, 40, 50, anyone. And this is a cream based sunscreen. It is non greasy. This can be used by all skin types. Oily skin type वाले भी इसको बहुत अच्छे से use कर सकते हैं. And yeah, this is very affordable. So yeah, this was the sunscreen. Okay, so moving on to primers. For primer, I have this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. So this is a highlighting primer. It gives glow to your face. It shines when you're under the sun and looks really beautiful. This also can be used by all skin type people, and this comes in 3 shades. You can pick your shade according to your undertone. So one is this one, and another primer that I don't have right now, it is with my sister and she's in Delhi. That is Blue Heaven primer. That is also a really good primer. It is a silicone based primer and it is very affordable और बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी quality है उसकी. So yeah, I'll just put up the photo on the screen. So these were the two primers. Okay, after primer, I have two foundations with me. This is Stay Quirky Liquid Foundation and this is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is in the shade 230. This is not mine. This is also my sister's foundation, but apparently this is with me. So this is a very light coverage foundation and this has a pretty good coverage. Actually it is very good. जिस price में ये आता है उस हिसाब से this foundation is really good. So beginners, you can go for any of these foundation. They blend amazingly. Okay, one thing I would like to clear, अगर आपको light coverage चाहिए then go for this foundation. अगर आपको medium to like light to medium coverage चाहिए then go for this foundation. So बहुत लोगों को शुरू में ये foundation लगाना नहीं पसंद होता है क्योंकि beginners के लिए foundation काफी heavy हो जाता है. अगर आप ऐसा फील करते हो देन गो फॉर द स्टे क्विर्की फाउंडेशन. इसका कवरेज बहुत लाइट है और ये बहुत लाइट फील होता है फेस पे. एंड अगर वो भी नहीं चाहिए देन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस बीबी क्रीम. दिस इज पॉन्ड्स बीबी क्रीम इन द शेड 02 मीडियम. ये 2 शेड्स में आता है एंड इफ यू डोंट वांट टू गो फॉर अ फाउंडेशन जस्ट गो फॉर दिस बीबी क्रीम. So yeah, these were the foundations and the BB cream. Next up, I have concealers. So for concealer, I am definitely gonna recommend this concealer first. मैंने भी recently ये concealer use करना शुरू किया है. I had shown this in my haul video. So this concealer is literally amazing. See, this has 1 shade of concealing, 1 shade of contouring, 3 shades for color correcting, and this you can use for highlighting. But if you are a fair skin tone girl, you cannot use this palette for concealing. So for those, I'll recommend this Swiss Beauty concealer. So this is also a really nice concealer. It gives a pretty good coverage and this is just like the Maybelline Fit Me concealer but in a lesser price. So dusky skin people, dark skin people who have skin tone like me, go for this concealer, and people who are of fair skin tone go for this concealer. Also, after concealer, I have compacts. So for compact, I have actually 1 compact and 1 loose powder. So this is Maybelline Fit Me Oil Control Compact and this is inside translucent face powder. So it is a loose powder and this is a compact. You can go for any of these. Both are amazing. Both are amazing in controlling oil of your face, and it gives a pretty good coverage, both of them. So just go for any of these. Both are amazing. I cannot say this enough. So yeah, these are the two compacts. So after compact, I have this Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlighting Palette. So this palette is a complete package. As you can see, there are 5 shades for your blush. सारे स्किन टोन वाली लड़कियां इस पैलेट को यूज कर सकती है. बहुत डार्क स्किन टोन है आपका तो यू कैन यूज दीज डार्क शेड्स फॉर ब्लश. लाइट स्किन टोन है तो ये शेड्स यूज कर सकते हैं, और मेरे जैसा स्किन टोन है देन यू कैन गो फॉर एनी वन. लाइक आई यूज ऑल ऑफ देम. सो या, सो 5 shades of blush, 1 shade for contouring. कॉन्टोर सारे स्किन टोन वाले नहीं कर सकते. लाइक मेरे स्किन पे भी ये कॉन्टोर काफी लाइट हो जाता है. ये मतलब मेरे स्किन टोन से पूरा मैच कर जाता है. सो आई नीड अ डार्कर शेड देन दिस, बट या आई काइंड ऑफ वर्क आउट विद दिस. And there is 2 shade for highlighting. 1 shade is really light and another one is bronze kind of shade. So if you buy this palette, this can be used for everything. Like अगर आप एक सिंगल ब्लश, एक सिंगल हाइलाइटर और एक सिंगल ब्रॉन्जर लेते हो तो आपको आई डोंट थिंक सो 1000 से कम पड़ेगा वो. बट इसको अगर आप लेते हो तो दिस इज समवेयर अराउंड 375 और 400. So yeah, this is a really good save. So yeah, I would recommend you to go for this palette. Okay, so after blush, highlighter and bronzer, I have mascaras. So for mascaras, here I have a very affordable and very good quality Blue Heaven Lash Twist Curling Mascara. So one I have this, and another one again I don't have it, but you can see in my other videos, that is Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. That is also a really amazing mascara. That is also with my sister. So you can go for any of these mascaras, this Blue Heaven one or the Maybelline one. Actually Maybelline is known for mascara, so just pick up any mascara from Maybelline and it's gonna be amazing. So but this mascara is also really good. इसका price बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है and it's really good. It's waterproof, it curls your eyelashes really well. So yeah, you can go for any of these mascaras. Okay, so for eyeliners, I have 2 eyeliners with me. This is Maybelline Bold Colossal Eyeliner and this is Ellatine Water Resistant Blackout Eyeliner. ये दोनों eyeliners मेरे favorite हैं. This is very affordable, very affordable. Like बहुत ही 100 rupees के अंडर इसका प्राइस है और बहुत ही अच्छा है. दिस इज कम्प्लीटली मैट एंड दिस इज नॉट वेरी वाटरप्रूफ. लेट मी टेल यू गाइस, दिस इज नॉट वेरी वाटरप्रूफ बट it looks really nice. It is completely matte and the tip is really good. You can see the tip is really good. And about this eyeliner, इसके बारे में तो मैंने बहुत बार बात करा है. ये आईलाइनर वाटरप्रूफ है एंड दिस ऑल्सो हैज अ रियली गुड टिप एंड दिस इज रियली गुड फॉर बिगनर्स. सो या, दीज 2 आर द आईलाइनर्स. देन आफ्टर आईलाइन, oh yeah, I have one more eyeliner which is this sketch eyeliner. So it is Swiss Beauty Bold Felt Tip Eyeliner. So you can see दिस इज द स्विस ब्यूटी स्केच आईलाइनर. अगर आपको स्केच आईलाइनर्स चाहिए, लाइक बिगनर्स के लिए लिक्विड आईलाइनर या जेल आईलाइनर थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. सो यू कैन गो फॉर दीज स्केच आईलाइनर्स. बाय द वे, इफ आई टेल यू अबाउट माई सेल्फ, मेरे से इन आईलाइनर्स से बिल्कुल भी सही से आईलाइनर नहीं लगता है. आई डू बेटर विद दोज लिक्विड आईलाइनर. वंस यू गेट योर हैंड्स ऑन दोज, you are like never gonna love these more than them. So yeah, but you can go with anyone जिसके साथ भी आप comfortable हो. So yeah, this was the Swiss Beauty Sketch Eyeliner. After eyeliner, I have kajal. So I have 2 kajal over here. This is Lakme Iconic Kajal and this is Blue Heaven Soft Kajal Eyeliner. So this is from Blue Heaven and this is for Lakme. There is one more from Maybelline. So ये तीनों काजल बहुत अच्छे होते हैं और इन सब में कलर्स आते हैं, ब्लू, ब्लैक, ग्रीन. सो यू कैन गो फॉर एनी ऑफ दीज. ये सारे काजल बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. दिस इज द काजल दैट आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ. सो ये सारे काजल वाटरप्रूफ है और बहुत अच्छे हैं. बिल्कुल भी आपके आईज को इरिटेट नहीं करते हैं और दीज आर इजी टू वर्क विथ. सो या, दीज वर द काजल. आफ्टर काजल I have some lipsticks. There are literally n numbers of lipsticks. So many lipsticks are there which are so affordable these days. But still I'm recommending you some of the lipsticks that I have and the lipsticks that I feel are really good. Okay, so the first lipstick that I have is from NY Bay. Second is from Insight Cosmetics, Insight Non-Transfer Lip Color. And the third one that I have is this Maybelline something, I don't remember the name, but I'll mention it in the description box. So yeah, you can see the shade. I'll show you the shades of all the lipsticks. See, I'm showing you these lipsticks. You don't need to go for the exact shade. आप अपने हिसाब से शेड्स पिक कर सकते हो. बट these lipsticks, मैं क्वालिटी की बात कर रही हूँ और क्वालिटी इन लिपस्टिक्स की बहुत अच्छी है. So yeah. Okay, these are the lip shades. See, beautiful, these shades are beautiful. I just love these lipsticks और बहुत ही affordable है ये lipsticks और बहुत ही अच्छी quality के हैं. So these were the lipsticks and just go for all of these because lipstick तो एक से नहीं चलेगा ना. You need to have like 3 or 4 lipsticks at least. So yeah, go for these lipsticks. These are really good. So after lipstick, I have eyeshadow palettes. See, something I would like to tell about eyeshadow palette. आप थोड़ा सा सेव करो and buy a good eyeshadow palette. थोड़ा बड़ा eyeshadow palette आप लो. I'll tell you why. Because अगर आप छोटे eyeshadow palettes लेते हो तो आप उससे hardly 1, 2, 3 लुक क्रिएट कर सकते हो, उससे ज्यादा नहीं, क्योंकि शेड वेरिएशंस उनमें बहुत कम होते हैं. अगर आप थोड़ा सा सेव करके बड़ा eyeshadow palette लेते हो, then 1 eyeshadow palette and you are done. सो छोटे छोटे आप 3-4 लो, उससे अच्छा आप एक बड़ा आई शैडो पैलेट और अच्छा आई शैडो पैलेट लो. स्टिल आई एम गोना रिकमेंड यू सम आई शैडो पैलेट्स दैट आर अफोर्डेबल एंड दैट आई लाइक. So I have 3 eyeshadow palettes right here. This is from Swiss Beauty and these 2 are from Hilary Rhoda. Okay, first let me talk about these. मैंने पहले भी बात करा है इन eyeshadow palettes के बारे में और काफी टाइम इसको यूज भी करा है. So this is a palette which has like amazing shades. So इसमें इस पैलेट में काफी शेड वेरिएशंस है और हिलेरी रोडा के पैलेट्स में यूजुअली काफी शेड वेरिएशंस होते हैं. एंड देन आई हैव दिस पैलेट विच हैज ऑल द ग्लिटरी शेड्स. इसमें भी काफी शेड वेरिएशंस है, काफी सारे ग्लिटरी शेड्स है. जो भी आपको कभी भी जरूरत पड़ेंगे वो सारे ग्लिटरी शिमरी शेड्स हैं इस पैलेट में. सो go for this palette if you want glittery shades and go for this palette if you want bright bomb kind of shades. Also, if you want subtle nude kind of shades, then go for this palette. This is Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. और ये काफी shades में आते हैं, but as I said, आप कितने look create कर सकते हो इस palette से? Just tell me. 2, 3, hardly 4. So that is the disadvantage of buying a small palette. So I would recommend save your money for some time and just buy a big palette, like थोड़ा 400-500 के अंदर अच्छे पैलेट्स आ जाते हैं. देन जस्ट गो फॉर दैट. ओके, सो द लास्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव इज अ सेटिंग स्प्रे. आप अगर बिगनर हो तो हमेशा आपको सेटिंग स्प्रे की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. इनफैक्ट मैं भी सेटिंग स्प्रे बहुत ज्यादा यूज नहीं करती हूँ, बट स्टिल इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ किट देन यू नीड टू हैव लाइक एवरीथिंग. सो फॉर दैट आई एम सजेस्टिंग दिस Swiss Beauty makeup fixer with aloe vera and vitamin E, blah blah blah. So this is also a really nice makeup fixer, very affordable, and it sets your makeup beautifully and gives your makeup a really matte kind of look. So yeah, that was all the makeup products that I had that I wanted to suggest you guys. I hope you guys like the makeup product that I showed you, and I hope the beginners that are watching me found this video helpful, and I just hope now you can go and pick your makeup without any problem. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked the video and found it helpful. If you did so, don't forget to hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.